You touched a moment ago on some of the errors that people make, misunderstandings they have of how the market works. What are some of the most common and costly mistakes that you've seen over the years?
Well, the first one is that people don't recognize that when you're investing, you're going to make a lot of mistakes. The professionals make a lot of mistakes. So no matter how smart you think you are, you're going to make a lot of mistakes. Now, what are you going to do about that? Are you going to just sit with them and hope and say, oh, I think this is good, and besides I'm getting a dividend, or old Joe told me this is a good stock? That's how you get hurt. So our first rule is you cut every single mistake, cut every single loss that you have. And when we did the chart models, we found that if you buy correctly off of a chart, a stock will not go down 8%. And that's where our sell rule starts. If you have a loss, you're down 8% from what you paid, we say always sell it. No exceptions, no alibis, no excuses, because it's like a little insurance policy. If you do not do that, sooner or later, if you invest long enough, this stock that goes down 10% is now going to be down 20 because you're sitting waiting for it to come back. And then it's down 30, and then it's down 40. And then you're psychologically trapped. You say, well, I can't sell it now because it's already down so much. And when we do our scientific measures of all the stocks that were successful or all the leaders, we found that when a leader finally tops, its average correction is 72%. It may take it a year to do that, and you're sitting there hoping and waiting and hoping and waiting. And I have news for everybody. The market does not know who you are, and it doesn't care what you hope or would like to see happen. So you have to get real and understand what the market is doing and how it works, and then follow it, not try to tell it what it ought to do that you would like to have it do.